Good morning, folks. Happy Saturday, Chinese New Year Parade Day. This is Marcel. Here comes Amtrak Train 11, Cold Starlight. Your southbound train to Los Angeles, 98th Avenue crossing. An ALC 42 Siemens charger leading on this one off. Once again, this is Coast Starlight, train number 11 to Los Angeles. .305 leads off on the ALC 42. And 325 with that. This train will be diverted to the right on the coast sub today. That's where he's going, on the coast sub. Hello, you guys. Enjoy the ride. Enjoy the ride to Los Angeles. All right. This Coast Starlight got more coaches in the back. More sleepers in the back, coaches in the front. All right, folks. Off she goes to Los Angeles. Heads up to RCM guy. Heads up to San Leandro Garbage Man. Heads up to David Jones. And everybody else. That train is on the Coast Subdivision going towards Los Angeles. I am Marcel Hall. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your weekend, everybody who's watching my channel. Enjoy your weekend.